How to install iOS 26 theme on Android. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, open Play Store. Here search for iOS liquid glass. Once you search for that, you guys will simply download that launcher liquid glass OS file. So simply click here. Now click on install. Once you install it, once it's get installed, simply click on that. After that, you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see languages, so simply select English language. After that, click on continue. Now here you guys will simply click on continue again, continue again. Now click on get started. Here you guys can select your favorite one. After that, click on continue. Now wait for some second. Here you guys will click on agree. Once you click on agree, here you guys will simply scroll and you will search for launcher liquid glass. Simply click here. Now click on display or other apps. Now wait for some seconds. After that, click on agree. Once you click on agree, again click on launcher liquid glass. Here click on allow notification access. Now click on allow. Now back. Now click on cancel. Wait for some seconds. After that, click on continue. Once you click on continue, after that click on cancel. Now click on agree. Now click on allow. Here you guys will see all options. So simply allow all. After that, click on set as a default. Once you click on set as default, select launcher liquid glass. Here we go. Our iOS 26 launcher was applied to our Android. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.